The Owner Manager program is a very unique program. To the best of my knowledge, this program is a program specially designed for existing business owners, entrepreneurs, running over a period of 1 year with the kind of learning model that we have, is not being conducted. And it meets the unique learning needs of entrepreneurs. These past 10 months have been very rich in terms of what the value that we were able to create for the participants. I think this interesting journey over the past 10 months has far exceeded the expectations that the organizations and the participants have actually had. In particular, what has been a huge learning for me has been about how learning takes place itself, and when the participants actually share. In this program, the concepts are initially introduced, and then the participants apply it in their context and come back and share. So I have found that when participants actually apply something, that's when the learning takes place, and particularly it gets reinforced when they come back and share. Now, this sharing opens up a whole new perspective for most participants. So it's not just what the faculty or the facilitator is enabling them to do, but it's this entire peer group which enables this learning to happen in the entrepreneur. And I think the learning requirements of entrepreneurs are very distinctly different than that of professional managers. I think that's an entrepreneur has to wear many hats. On one level, the entrepreneur is doing things. On another level, you're getting things done. And at the third level, simultaneously, you're figuring out what to do. And all these three things are happening simultaneously. So it's with this perspective that I think, we have to shift, so as to say, we have to shift gear depending on what the role the entrepreneur is playing at that point of time. It's been a very rewarding experience. And I think I wish, as an entrepreneur myself, I think this is this enables many of the paradigms, and growing a company have got cleared up for me as well.